Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2017 GMC Terrain SLE. This is a 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in black, and under the hood you'll find a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we'll find on this GMC includes an aggressive front black grille, fog lights, roof rails, and rear parking sensors. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press that unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look inside. And before I move in, just to quickly show you on the side view mirror, you do have heated mirrors and a blind spot monitoring system. On top here, you'll find your power locks, power adjustable side mirrors, and windows. On the bottom, we have some storage space that runs along the entire side of the door. And this GMC does come equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating, and if we look closer, you do have red stitching in the seats as well, and on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. To start it up, we're going to press a button on our key fob and start this GMC up. And we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. Here you'll find your settings for your cruise control, collision alert system, and your lane departure alert. On the right side, you have your hands-free calling, your voice recognition system, and your volume buttons. You can also use this scroll button to navigate through any audio that's playing. If we look in the odometer, you can see that this GMC has 18,023 kilometers on it. And we can also navigate through our multi-information display by pressing these arrows on the bottom here. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are in FM radio. If we press this source button on the bottom right, you can see you have your standard, let's go up on that list, you have your standard AM and FM options. You can also connect your phone through USB auxiliary and a Bluetooth device. If we go and press this home button on the top, you can also view all your different options here as well. If we go into reverse, you get a nice backup camera. Moving down below is your climate control system. You got these nice smooth turning dials. You also find your driver and passenger heated seats. Down below that we have some storage space as well as 2 cup holders, and we can also open up this center console. That provides plenty of space. Taking a look in the back here, we have some storage on the bottom of the door, just like the driver's side. And of course, we are continuing with the all-weather mats and the black cloth seating. Behind the front passenger and driver's seats, we do have these little nets providing some extra storage space. We can also pull this middle piece down, giving you access to 2 cup holders and a little armrest. And these seats do fold down. We can just pull this button upwards, and that gives you access to your cargo. To open up the back, we got a button right under this GMC logo here, and that liftgate opens nice and easy. Taking a look inside, you can see there is plenty of cargo space. We also have some storage compartments on the top right and left. And like I mentioned, the rear seats do pull down. That'll give you that extra bit of room if you ever need so. We can also lift this bottom piece up, giving you access to your tools and your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our 2017 GMC Terrain. Once again, some of those great interior features includes a backup camera, driver and passenger heated seats, and Bluetooth capabilities. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.